Hello, welcome to our factory stock, and I'll show you. This is Vianne from Danone Goddess Eyelash Products Company Limited, and today I will show you around of our factory. We have many products just like this. Pro-made fines. We can do 3D to 20D. And thickness we can do is 0.05, 0.07, and 0.1. The lines we can do is 8 to 18 millimeter. As you can see, these are our premium fines. And this is our first blooming lashes, and it can help you save time, and it's easy to use. We have many stocks, and you can have sample order. Oh, this is double lash. This is double lash.